Hey mga beshies! Good morning! I'm closing the gate again. Lagi na lang ako ang nagsasara ng gate. And lagi na lang umiiyak si Tam. So today is such a beautiful day. It's been 2 days since malakas yung ulan, and alam niyo ba guys, bahang-baha na dito sa Cebu. Most of the areas are flooded. Ano ba ang hirap magsara? Wait lang. We're back here at the City Hall. It's still pretty early though. It's still we got here before 7 and office opens at like mga 8 AM pa, so we're waiting here. Diba?
Yes.
So we are here at the City Hall department there, guys. I'm so sleepy. Alam niyo ba guys, since nandito kami sa City Health office, twice na akong tinanong, ma'am, magpa-seminar ka, ma'am? Mag-attend ba kayo ng seminar, ma'am? Gusto ko sanang sagutin na hindi na kailangan, ma'am, nasakal na to, ma'am. Nasakal na. I think this area that we're seated, they are the next room over there is they're having a seminar for people who wants to get married. So funny na. Sir, magpasakal ka
Already.
Init. Kain muna tayo guys. Oh, banana cake, banana cake.
Parang BeYouTy's. No?
I like it. Sa ano, Arvin store. Arvin, hindi Arvin. Arvin store.
Store to big shop.
A big shop day, oy. Lagi, sir. I wanna drink coffee. When we get home, medyo malapit na lang naman kami. So, yan, kain muna tayo. Hi mga friends! Good afternoon na. So, I was planning to vlog this morning, but I didn't have time because we are in a hurry because we need to go back to the clinic na naman guys for reading of the results of the laboratory of my father. So, yun nga, tapos na kami and we're home already, and it's such a lovely day today, pero ang init. So, mabilis lang kami doon. The doctor just read his result, and I'm happy kasi yung results niya is negative naman. So, we're happy with that. But still, he will be taking antibiotics for what he's feeling right now. So, yun, mabilis lang kami, and we are so lucky because we were the last patient. Usually, he comes late. That's why we went there late, because usually his clinic is like 10:30, but he comes usually almost 12. But this time, he was early, guys. We got there before 12, but he was there already. So, there are a lot of patients already that he was taking care of. So, salamat naman at nakahabol pa rin kami sa kanya. We were the last patient. So we were just like we just waited mga not an hour, less than an hour, like 45 minutes, and it was our turn. So yun. So it's already 1 p.m. and I'm going to eat lunch na siguro kasi I only ate bread when we left, like it was still mga 10:30 yun. So I'm a little hungry, so konti lang, dalawang slice lang na ang sliced bread yung kinain ko and then coffee. So mag-lunch muna tayo. And oh, by the way guys, I'm so excited because I went to Colonnade the other day yata yun, and I saw my favorite Pancit Canton from it's an Indonesian Pancit Canton. It is called Misidap, and that was my favorite one. I always eat that every day when I was in Japan, but when I came home in the Philippines, I could not find where I don't know where to find it or where to buy it. And my Indonesian friend said, I asked her if there is an online store that I could buy, and she said they have an FB, there's an FB page, or yeah, I think it's a page that they are selling this up, but it was so expensive guys, like the shipping and stuff. So I really been wanting to eat this up, but I'm so happy kasi I saw it here in Cebu at Colonnade Mall, malapit lang. So I'm so excited to eat it again, although it's kind of pricey though. The size of it is the same with the Lucky Me Pancit Canton, and it is 1750 pesos. Yun nga, ilang beses minultiply yung price ng ng Lucky Me na Pancit Canton, but still it's very cheap compared if I'm going to buy it online, diba? So I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you what it is, okay? So ito pala yung sinasabi ko guys. It's what I've been talking about. The Misidap.
Yeah, make one that jump.
Yeah. Diba? Bongga. Oh. This is my favorite Misidap. This is only how many grams? 91 grams lang. The same size with the Lucky Me Pancit Canton, or a little bigger. But it's not but this is smaller compared to the Payless Pancit Canton. Yeah, you should try this guys. Misidap. And oh, if you are into spicy food, you better try this one because this is not too spicy. It's just the right spiciness, and it has a little sweetness too to balance the spiciness. So, and it also has, I don't know if this is onion or garlic, but it says dingan, but it looks like bawang daw, bawang, diba? Bawang is garlic, but this is Indonesian, so I'm not so sure, but this looks like onion. Onion is bawang in Indonesia, I don't know, but yay! Now magluluto muna ako ng lumpia kasi this is our ulam. Mother made this. Ako lang yung maglalagay sa mantika. Hala, I don't think the oil's already hot enough. Pero okay na yan. May bubbles na. There's a bubble already. That. Isa pa. One more. Yan. Ayan. Luto na. Let's eat lumpia Milo and suka. Ha. May ampalaya pala with egg. I almost forgot. I'm gonna eat this. Siya Americano.
Why picture me?